Okay, welcome to part 2 of our web class. So this is the document we had from the last class that we had. So you can see all the tags that we have learned in the HTML so far. Want to learn more tags, and so I'll be introducing HTML5. So this is how it's introduced in HTML. So you have doc type HTML. Okay, that's what you need to put down. So this is HTML5. Okay, so the reason why I had to put that is because there's some tags I'll be introducing that has got to be HTML5. Okay, so as we can see, we have the head and the body, which the title tag in the head, then the header is one, the boldest, and then the break tag with the paragraph. So the paragraph written, then the line break, which breaks the line, and then the image, and that's what we had from the last tutorial. So the last class that we had. So in this class, I will introduce the list tag, how to list stuff. So let's say I want to list items. Okay, let's assume I'm listing items right here. Okay, items P. I just close this properly. Okay, that's it. That went off. Okay, so before the image. So for listing, we have the unordered and the ordered list. Unordered list, ordered list. So I'll show you how to use them both. So we'll start with the unordered list. Yes, I'll show you what they come up with, because they come up differently. Always open and close the tags, remember. So we have a list. Okay, open and close lists, li. So li, so the other one, li open, and then li close, then li open, and li close. So let's say we have shoe, bag, wears. Okay, you see, this is a list. So I'll save this. Okay, I would add it on ordered as well before we have a look at how it looks. So on ordered is OL. Okay, so the same LI open, but don't forget to close your OL. Always put this, because you forget when you start to write something else. So then you put this LI, close your LI. So li open, and then close li. Okay, li open, and li close. Okay, so we have the same list though as the first one, but one is ordered, one is unordered. So we want to see, I should have just copied and pasted, but then it's still the same thing. So let's save and have a look on the browser and see what comes out. So let's open the document. This is where we saved it in. So we'll open that file right there. Okay, and so that's, so you can see the unordered list right there, and you have the ordered lists. So ordered list is 1, 2, 3. Unordered is got the so I'll go back to show you. You can actually have, I'm just minimizing all this. So under the unordered list, you can decide to put the type attribute. So we've used attributes on images, right? On image, yeah, that's it there. So when you have equal to, you've got to say something about. So in this type now, I'm going to say type. Okay, equal to. Um, let's say square. So so in this case, you for on all that, you can decide to use a square or a circle. The default is a circle, is like a dot. But then a square, let's say I'm using a square, type equal to square. Save this. I'm just going to run it. Make sure, remember, when you write attributes, you have the inverted commas. Sometimes you runs without it, but it's good practice to put it because that's what the markup language is about. Control S. Okay, so let's save it. So you can see this is changed to square. It's no more like a circle, a round one. But if you change the circle, it's just going to be hollow. So you can change the circle at your own time and see how it looks. Okay, so I've done that for the list, and I want to introduce you to the link, how to link in HTML. So I want to link your text to a page or to something else. So in this case, you might decide, okay, I want to link something, an image to an image. So I've got to use the A tag. That's where the A tag comes in. And then in the A tag, there's supposed to be the href is called the attributes. Okay, so this is equal to the image you want to link. Because it's in the same folder as this, I'm just going to put outlook.jpg. Okay, you see. So what am I linking the image? So I'm going to say Outlook. So the Outlook, and then I'll close the A tag. Always don't forget to close. Always remember you've got to close. I should have seen that before. So this is important. So Outlook is linking to an image. And so let's have a look at how the A tag works. So I'm going to save this, and then we'll go down to the browser and refresh. So let's refresh. You can see that's the A tag there, Outlook. So when I click on it, it should show me the image. That's it there. So I've linked it to the image. So that's how you link on in HTML. Okay, so you can actually have more links like this. But I'll link them to the same image. I don't have a lot of image right here, so I'm just going to do that to the same image. So when they're all clicked, they go to the. I'm just going to copy and paste because I'm going to do like 4 of them. Because I want to introduce to a different tag right here. So I want to get this Outlook, human resources, and then human resource. Okay, so this is what I have right here, but I want to create a sort of navigation. So in HTML5 you have the nav tag, which you open right here, and then I've got to close it again. Okay, so in this case it's going to make it look like a navigation, which is the whole point. Okay, so save, and so let's have a look at what we have on the site right now. So you can see it written like this. So each of them can link to different things or different pages, and so this is how it looks like right now. So it's interesting because I can decide to add to add this to it, something like horizontal line, or it's interesting how this works. Okay, so I'll save it again, and then you see, well, I'm just trying to make it look more attractive, and okay, so you can see that's out there. You see this sometimes on the footer, sometimes in pages like that. So we have this, and when you click on them, they've all linked to the same image. So either way, you can link them to different things. But mind you, links like this, I put this because it's in the same folder. Remember, so if it's a different folder, I've got to put the name of the folder and put slash like that. Okay. So that's how to. So when you put it in a different folder, that's how to go about it. You've got to tell it where to find it. Okay, so that's a nav tag which I've introduced to you. So we've learned a couple of more tags, and I hope this is clear enough, because I will stop the tutorial right here for now.